Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace an image in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and I will replace this image. Select this home option. Now select an edit option and select images and click on this image and select. Now click right button for your mouse and here you will find this replace images option. Click here and open your folder which one you want to images replace. I'll insert this one and select open and see this image now replaces. Increase this image size. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.